Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be working on some backyard quoits. It's a playing game. I've never played it before, but I'm kind of curious to learn how. I'm pretty sure it's kind of like horseshoes. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, let's get a good look at these quoits. These are 2.5 pounds. There's two teams. There's B team and there's A team. We are going to distinguish each team by a color code. A is already red, so we're going to go back with red. B was left natural, but I want to put blue for B. I think the stakes we're going to go with a silver so it stands out from the yard. And I think we'll get you guys reset up at the wire wheel and start jumping into this. Let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I've got these hanging here. I'm going to paint it with Rust-Oleum Regal Red. I've had problems in the past with this color, so I'm going to paint the red first and have the heater on. Hopefully these will cure up and you know, we can move on with our next color. But yep, for some reason I've had problems with this color and I don't know what it is. So, let's give her a little shot, shall we? It's a beautiful red. We're going to let that sit on there and do its thing, and hopefully it'll dry sometime this month. Alright. Get so much better coverage with this blue than you do the red. Alright guys, well it's like I feared. The blue kicked off within an hour. It's all completely bone dry. I even got the lettering done on there. The spikes, same thing, completely kicked off within an hour. But let me get you rearranged here and I'll show you. Yep, the Regal Red has failed me again. This stuff is almost just as wet as it was when I sprayed it. So, I don't know what it is with this stuff. I know I'll never buy it again. Alrighty guys, well that's it for the quoits. They came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. It's a pretty strong finish on there. This is 2 coats of blue, 2 coats of the white on the lettering. The red, that is 2 coats of red. It took 3 days for the red to cure. I don't know what it is with that Rust-Oleum Regal Red. I've had nothing but problems with that, and I think that's about it. I'm never gonna buy it again just because I have problems with it kicking off. So the blue kicked off in like an hour and a half. The silver, same thing, no problems at all. But that Regal Red, for some reason, I don't know. Yeah, that's about it for this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The Quoits came out pretty nice. I'm quite happy with these. I hope you guys don't mind this randomness of this video. It's just something that I really wanted to do. Summer's coming and, you know, I want to do something different in the backyard with the boys this year. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye guys.